Hey guys, welcome back. Can you believe it's already December? Man, time sure flies when you're having fun. And speaking of fun, right now everyone is going crazy about AI, including me. In this video, we are going to explore the fascinating combination of AI and Arduino to create something truly special, a hand gesture control robot. Trust me guys, this is going to be amazing, so make sure to watch till the very end. Alright then, let's jump into the video. First thing first, we need a chassis for this robot. Well, I tried to find it online, but unfortunately I couldn't find the specific one that I'm looking for. Sure, there are few models available, but most of them kinda look same and boring. While I want mine to be compact and aesthetically pleasing, so in the end I've decided to design it by myself. I know, I'm not good at drawing, but for reference I think it will get the job done. Alright, it's time to transform this 2D drawing into a 3D model using Fusion 360.
I cherish the moment, it's high stakes. I used to spend time on my time pay. The way speaker thumping and vibrate. She jumping my bones make it gyrate. For a crib, it's a five.
My design is ready and I'm pretty happy with the result. Now let's fire up the 3D printer and start bringing these parts to life. It's gonna take a while to complete all the parts, so let's fast forward the process a little bit. After 10 hours of continuous printing, the 3D printed parts are now finally ready. Now it's time to start the assembling part. First, let's start with the motor. Check out this N20 micro metal gear motors. These are exactly what I need for this little project. But before mounting them to the robot chassis, first let's quickly solder wires to each motor connectors. With that done, all the motors are good to go. Now let's quickly mount them onto the motor holder and attach the assembly to the robot chassis using some M3 screws. Next, I'm mounting this 3D printed stand-ups to create enough space for the electronics. Now, instead of this boring old rubber wheels, I'm using this mechanism wheels. These wheels will allow this robot to move in any freaking direction you can think of. How cool is that? Okay, time to mount these wheels to the motor shafts. With the robot chassis almost completed, we are ready to move on to the next step. Now it's time to work on the circuit, so I headed back to my desk and started designing the circuit using EasyAda, which is an online circuit design tool. After completing the design, I uploaded the cover files to JLCPCB's website to place the order. By the way, big thanks to JLCPCB for sponsoring this video. They are a leading manufacturer of printed circuit boards offering a wide range of PCBs and top-notch PCB assembly services at affordable prices. Their user-friendly ordering system provides instant quotes, making it easy for anyone to order the PCB they need. Plus, JLCPCB also provides 3D printing services with various materials, colors and finishes available. So, if you're ready to take your projects to the next level, head over to JLCPCB using the link in the video description and let them handle the rest. The PCB delivery just arrived and take a look at the quality. These PCBs are absolutely top notch. Let's quickly solder these header pins and screw terminals.
Like a real new anthem. Shawty saw my wallet, now she think a new ransom. Whoa, telling me she wanted me to hammer. Trying to get saved, baby, I am not the answer. No, I can never.
Okay guys, soldering done. Now it's time to mount the Arduino Nano, HR8833 motor driver, buck converter and NRF24L01 radio module to the receiver circuit. On the other hand, instead of Arduino Nano, I'm using the Arduino Shao for the transmitter circuit due to a smaller size. Okay, let's quickly mount the Arduino Shao and ADXL335 accelerometer sensor to the transmitter circuit. Finally, let's complete this circuit by soldering the push button. Both circuits are successfully assembled and ready for installation, so let's move forward with the rest of the assembly process. Alright guys, the robot is almost ready. Now let's prepare the hand glove. Great, the assembling part is now complete. It's time to move on to the next step. Get excited guys, it's programming time. This is where AI is gonna show its magic. Here I'm using ChatGPT for this project, which is a powerful AI language model. I guess you already know how it works, so there's no need for further explanation. With that in mind, I ask it to generate the code structure for the transmitter and the receiver circuit. Surprisingly, ChatGPT generated code for both circuits within a few seconds, which is freaking dope. However, it's not a complete code, rather it's a foundational structure that provides a simple framework for communication and gesture recognition. We will need to customize it according to our requirements. Alright, I have made a lot of adjustment in the codes for this project. Now let's quickly upload the codes and check whether the codes are working or not. After uploading the codes, I quickly install the batteries to power up these circuits. Okay, both circuits are now powered on. Let's see if it works. And there it goes. The robot is responding to my hand gesture flawlessly, which means the codes are working like a charm. But the robot's movement seems somewhat limited, whereas it's designed to have the freedom to move in any direction. To unlock its full potential, I've added some fresh new commands into the code, then re-uploaded the code again, and here's the final output, a robot that glides in any direction. Now let me show you how this robot works. Well, it features 3 exciting modes. In normal mode, it will go forward, backward, turn left and right according to hand gestures. But when you press the push button, the robot switches to drift mode. In this mode, you have the power to drive this robot sideways. But wait, there's more. If you press the push button one more time, the robot shifts to corner right mode. In this mode, the robot skillfully maneuvers toward the corners based on your hand gesture. And that's the magic of this unique robot. That's a wrap for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to hit that like button, it means a lot to me, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome future projects. If you have any project ideas, then feel free to share them in the comment down below. I still read and reply to almost every single comment. Thank you for watching till the end, and hopefully see you guys soon.
Corny as f. I don't wanna rap about that corny. Motherfucker, I've been mortified, fortified, feeling like a Mordecai. I ain't regular, feel like Jordan wearing 45. Traumatized, victimized, seen some.